Hey, how you doing, guys? Got some interesting news, and this comes from Denver Riddle of Color Grading Central, who of course makes the awesome plugin for Final Cut Pro 10 called Color Finale and Color Finale Pro. Now, the name of this is actually called Cinema Grade, and so he actually sent us email to subscribers to his web page, and it's got some very interesting things to say that I'm going to repeat to you guys. And basically, the reasoning behind this, because he says there's a steep learning curve for color grading for beginners, and it is outdated and hard to use. And of course, we do have things like Color Finale and Color Finale Pro for Final Cut Pro 10, but he said the use of plugins for other programs is kind of limited in what it can do. So he's thinking more of a standalone application rather than perhaps a plugin. And also, he wanted to do it in more of a perhaps a linear fashion, especially for beginners. And so that's going to do two things. That's going to make it much easier for beginners to learn. Of course, there's a huge learning curve, especially in DaVinci Resolve, for instance. And for experienced users, it's going to be much faster. Now, we said this is going to seamlessly integrate with Premiere Pro, Final Cut Pro 10, and even DaVinci Resolve. Without round tripping. Now, I'm not sure how you're going to do it in supposedly a standalone application without the use of a plugin, but that's going to be interesting how they're going to do that and what he actually means by that. Now, what does that mean for users users of Color Finale and Color Finale Pro? Does that mean they're going to eventually stop support and other things? Of course, Denver Riddle mentioned probably months ago that they're going to update Color Finale and Finale Pro to use Apple's Metal 2 acceleration, because Apple said they're going to phase out the use of OpenGL and OpenCL. So he said he's going to update his applications to use the new standard. And also he asked new features for Color Finale and Color Finale Pro. And he also mentioned in this Cinema Grade video that he's also going to continue support with Color Finale. So I think that's really interesting, because he said he wanted to be more innovative instead of just using the standard the way things are for color grading, such as color wheels, curves, and so on, and more image-based grading. So it does show a little bit in the video, the Cinema Grade, how it works a little bit. It is kind of interesting. So I'm going to try to see if I can either get a sneak peek trial version ahead of time. So once it gets released, I can show you guys at my channel what's going on. Till then, thanks for watching, and see you guys later.